This is going to be a really interesting project and very useful too. This week, you'll use Node.js to create a web application that generates a portfolio of your projects. Each project can include a description, the technology you used to build it, and a link to your code on GitHub. You can even make your most dazzling projects displayed prominently at the top of the list as featured projects. The portfolio will be a fully styled web page, but you'll create it using the command line. You heard that right. You won't write a single line of traditional HTML or CSS code for this project. What you will do is use Node.js to create an app that prompts you for information, such as your name, GitHub username, and details about the projects. And then it builds up the portfolio for you. Voila. This portfolio will be an invaluable resource when you start your job search, allowing you to showcase your skills and accomplishments to potential employers. And by building it, you'll learn Node.js along the way, which will expand your web development skills to encompass both the front end and back end development. Now we're talking full stack web dev. Node.js is basically JavaScript that runs without a browser, and you already have a good head start on that from your experience with front end JavaScript in this course. So how is Node.js different than the JavaScript you've written so far for the browser? For one, it doesn't natively concern itself with the document object model, or DOM. It also doesn't get concerned with HTML, CSS, or events. But it does pick up several powerful modular APIs that are typically found only in general purpose programming languages such as Python, Java, Ruby, and C. You're going to use one of these APIs quite a bit in this project, the File System or FS module. It lets you read and write files on your computer. And you'll use the Node Package Manager, or NPM, to use open source code from the NPM registry. You'll also learn how to modularize your code, which means you'll break up one large code file into logically organized chunks. Modularizing code naturally lends itself to better software design for two reasons. It forces you to organize your code in a thoughtful way, and it also makes code easier to extend and maintain and reuse for your future self and for collaborators. You'll also learn some new JavaScript features, including the let and const keywords, arrow functions, template literals, array iteration methods like for each, map, and filter, and also the spread and rest syntax. This will make you even more effective at JavaScript coding the next time you're writing front-end code. These might seem like a lot of new skills to learn in just 1 week, but when you consider all of the new concepts you've recently learned, you're a veritable sponge of knowledge already, so just keep it up. Okay, folks, let's dive into that portfolio generator.